Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video we're going over motion effect controls, all the key settings that let you move, scale, crop and fade your clips. Let's get started. To access the motion controls, click the FX button on your clip and they will open up on the top left of your screen. First up is position. This moves your clip around the frame, horizontally or the X-axis or vertically, the Y-axis. You can drag the numbers in the FX control panel or click directly on the clip in the program monitor and drag it around. If you want to restart your value, click on the arrow right here and it will bring your default settings back. Scale. This changes the overall size of your clip. By default, it's uniform, meaning the width and height scale proportionally. If you uncheck uniform scale, you can adjust the scale of the width and height independently. Next up is rotation. Click the number and type in a value or click and drag left or right to rotate your clip. The anchor point. The anchor point is the center point around which your clip rotates and scales. By default it's in the middle, but you can move it around any part of your clip, like a corner, to rotate or scale around that point. Anti-flicker filter is a smoothing tool for clips that have fine detail or thin lines. It helps reduce flickering when scaling clips or applying keyframes. Just adjust the amount to your taste. And then lastly, we have crop. You can crop left, top, right or bottom of your clip. This is useful for removing unwanted edges or creating a picture-in-picture effect. Simply increase the percentage for each side to cut that part of the image. And finally, we have opacity. This controls how transparent your clip is. 100% is fully visible and 0% is completely invisible. You can keyframe opacity to create a fade in or fade out effect easily. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.